So I had a little bit of time. I had an old truck that needed a new look. So I took out the YouTube, sat down, watched about 20 different videos of people using Raptor and sprayed in my own bed liner. The sanding was the longest and most difficult part. And I was very impatient. I sanded everything. And then I really wanted to get spraying. This took 4.5 quarts of black U-Paul Raptor Liner, and I had ordered 8, and the kit only came with 1 bottle of hardener, so I only had 4 on here, and I ran out, and there was a spot here on the tailgate that never got done, so I had to order extra hardener, and about 5 days later I was able to finish it. So there it is. I don't have any video of me sanding it and all that. You can watch a ton of YouTube on people sanding. I used a electric random orbital sander. You can see a lot of videos. The guys have air tools. I don't have any air tools like that. I use 60 grit paper, and I sanded every area I could get my hands on just to scuff it up. And in some places that orbital sander went right down to bare metal. And then I used a acid etching primer. I bought 3 containers of that. When I ordered the kit, it came with 1, and then I bought 2 more. I ended up using 2 full spray cans of primer because I had sanded everything so well. I just figured I would just primer everything. And then that first coat that went on with the 4 bottles, you could see primer through it. So it was too thin, especially up against the cab. And I put another 2 bottles, bottle and 3/4, something like that. So there you go. And it's pretty tough. I think I might put the plastic bed liner back in here whenever I need to do something this week until this hardens. But the other thing was that last 3/4 of a liter or quart, I held the gun way back and sprayed, and it became like a mist, and it made it go from that shiny look, like I still have some shine right there, and then it's more flat in the middle. So those are the things I learned along the way. I hope that helps somebody. It definitely turned this scratched and dinged up bed of my truck into a much better looking vehicle. So give it a shot, man. I am not an auto guy. I know how to do a few things. Change out my taillights because they were full of water. That sort of thing. But this was fun. It got all over my clothes, so get yourself a bodysuit, disposable bodysuit, or wear stuff you want to throw away. And it cleans up with gasoline if it gets on your hands. That's about it.